Ever wondered how to bring a winter wonderland to your Christmas table? Let's dive into the magical world of snow globe cakes. This isn't just a dessert, it's a delightful blend of baking and artistry, transforming a simple cake into an edible winter scene. Imagine the awe on your guests' faces when they see a snowy spectacle right on the dinner table. This cake is a testament to creativity and uniqueness, a culinary adventure that awaits your exploration. Stay tuned to learn how to make your own snow globe cake. To create this winter wonderland, gather all the necessary ingredients and tools. You'll need cake mix, frosting, and edible gelatin for the bubble. Don't forget your baking pans, whisk, spatula, and a gelatin bubble mold. With these in hand, you're ready to start baking. First, bake your favorite cake as the base. Start by blending all your ingredients together until you've got a smooth batter. Pour this into your chosen pan, and then it's time to bake. Once the cake is baked and cooled, you can start the real magic. Now, let's create the winter scene on your cake. Start by frosting your cake with a generous layer of white icing, giving the illusion of a snowy landscape. Now, strategically place your decorations, perhaps a snowman here, a tiny Christmas tree there. Remember, it's all about balance and composition. Use your creativity to make the scene as appealing and realistic as possible. Maybe add some icing snowflakes falling from the sky. With your winter scene in place, it's time to add the final touch. The final step is to create the snow globe effect. This involves crafting a transparent gelatin bubble, which you'll gently place over your winter scene. The effect is magical, transforming your cake into a captivating snow globe. And there you have it, a spectacular snow globe cake that brings a winter wonderland to your Christmas table. Creating a snow globe cake is a fun and rewarding process. It's more than baking. It's crafting a winter wonderland, a unique dessert that brings joy to everyone. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more unique baking ideas.